Okay, I'm going to do a short video here of my 2002 BMW R1150GS that is going to be going up for sale. And yeah, it's an excellent bike. I think I'm the third owner, just under 50,000 miles, like 49 and change. Maintenance history for the life of the bike. I've done tons of recent maintenance on it. And it's gray, which you don't see too often. Graphics are in nice shape. Hepco Becker luggage. The hard cases, aluminum, that are light but hold a ton. They're both in excellent shape and come with keys. I added full Hepco Becker engine guards and the front crash guard as well, the headlight guard. The bike it currently is due for tires. These are fairly worn. I will likely have those replaced before sale, but I think I'm going to list the bike as is, but I will either factor that in to the selling price or replace them. Both are certainly rideable, but they are fairly worn. Has a complete Ztechnik exhaust system, the Y pipe and muffler. The packing is fairly worn out on the muffler, and it is fairly loud right now. I have not repacked it. So I'll probably leave this on here, this full exhaust system, because it's a pretty nice upgrade. But it also comes with the complete stock exhaust system, complete cat Y pipe box, and then the muffler, all in really nice shape. Seats are in excellent shape, comfortable, suspension's good, clutch is good, brakes are good. Let's see, I put in a new clutch slave cylinder that was leaking, I think, when I bought the bike a couple years ago, and all the fluids have been serviced multiple times by me. I've replaced all the cables as well, all the throttle cables and the splitter box, just to make sure they worked well. There's current mileage, 49,880 right now. All the electronics work perfectly, heated grips, comes with USB charger, power port, cable and RAM mount. I'll likely take that off, but the charger will be included. I've added a Dobeck Performance electronic jet kit tuner, the fuel injection tuner, which is awesome, very easy to use, and you can completely dial in the fueling on this bike. And it's very easy to access with the seat removed. It's under the tank, and you can pull it up and put it on the tank here to tune while you're riding. Works really well. Yeah, it's an excellent bike, very well maintained, runs perfectly. I've ridden it all over Colorado, Wyoming, South Dakota. Never have any problems with it. This is a vinyl sticker here that will come off easily. Doesn't leave any marks. Ztechnik exhaust. Like I said, it's got a nice sound, but it's fairly loud right now. Yeah, all the lights and electric work perfectly, and it's had recent valve adjustment, so it's a really excellent bike. Looks nice, in excellent condition, and ready to go anywhere. I'd ride this thing across the country tomorrow. Oh, and it does, I'm not going to fix this, it has an air horn on it, and as you can hear, the air horn did fail on my last trip, so it always was a little spotty, and I think the diaphragm or something inside it failed, so it buzzes now. It's mounted underneath the tank here, down here, but I'm not going to be replacing that. I don't have the original horn either, so it's not, I don't have the part to replace it with. Yeah, that's it. Really excellent bike, clean title, located in Fort Collins, Colorado. Yeah, hope you like it.